So this is the application how to hide your WordPress, how to hide the title of the website. So this is the website showing. Just click here, inspect, click, and put here the title page. So h1. So you should hide the h1. Make display none. Display none. Click, automatically hide this area. So copy the code and go to your WordPress. Choose any other theme to do it. So as there is not showing the, so you can choose any themes like Elenister or Astro or any type extra theme. So which will show you. So here after installing, you just activated the theme. So activate it. Now theme will show you the advanced CSS theme editor or customize option. Click the customize. So here you put, where is the custom CSS option. So add additional CSS or custom CSS. So additional CSS here you put, no need to show here, automatically deleted the, when I theme change automatically deleted, the home page is showing fine now. So if you want to delete this option, so I am delete the full section. So this is the section header. So put display none. Okay, so it is displays none. Also display none for this section. So this is the section nav. So section nav we have updated from code snippet header code. Here you can delete the section nav, update it, and when we delete the pages and publish it, now it's, so section nav has been deleted. So just one thing, and how it's 7, why it's 7 section middle row display none. So we should use this code. Not works, so reloading here. So after reloading here, you can section put, and here we should use display none. Not works, so we should use this step. If we use display none, yes, this is working. So copy this code and you should use here. Now it's working fine. So just publish it and reload. So it is working fine now. When I reload the pages, now working fine. So Simply you can add it, and there's a custom header, just header code, put here the header code, it will work fine. So best of luck.